And there you have it. We are all dug out. It actually looks like an archaeology dig, like we're digging for dinosaur bones. We're ready to start adding rebar on the bottom, tying it to the rebar up the sides. We have to add some more rebar up the sides over here and over here, right here. But all in all, it's good. We got our coping footing poured. I'm standing on it right here. That's concrete. It's just covered up with dirt. And so we're going to go ahead and pour this on Tuesday. We got to do all the rebar and get it prepped. And then, God willing, we'll pour on Tuesday. And see if you can pick up some of that depth right there. Got a trench right there. All kinds of good stuff. This peninsula stone that I'm on right here will be about an inch underwater right here. That's the high spot. And about 3 inches right here. And that trench will all be underwater. The water line. Okay, so this terrace will come off here. I just stepped down about 1.5 feet onto this next terrace plane. And this water right here will be about 1.5 feet deep. Okay, and then we step off onto another terrace level, the bottom of here, and this is about 4 foot deep. So by the time I get the concrete in there and all that, we're probably looking at about 3 foot, 3/4, 3.5, 4 foot, something like that. So the water line down here will come up to about right here. Somewhere in there. You can see it's so bright. I don't know what the camera is really picking up. So the waterfall, we're going to have waterfalls running all along this big stone right here, that terrace, and of course out the retaining wall / waterfall right there. This kind of is just kind of sticking out there by itself, and it doesn't coordinate like we want with this stone. So, but it will, because we are going to make, I have more stone project to lay up there to hide the sump, and we're going to make some other little features up there with this flagstone. And this is what it looks like. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Let me get up here higher onto these. So that's from the overhead view. And it's looking good. Looking real good. Big old koi pond. Nice and deep. Lots of flowing water. We're taking our time, doing it right. We have a lot of concrete to pour and form up, just like you would on a swimming pool. And then waterproofing. Then I have to lay my coping stones and build a retaining wall, screen wall for the sump filter, run the plumbing and all that. I got to put a overflow drain right here for when the torrential rains come, and plant some plants, some foliage, add the fish, kick it off. Koi Pond 2021.